Chapter 9, 5E experience. In this chapter, you go through and think about what makes people excited learning about your project or your service. And then once they get excited and their attention is captured, how do they enter into the experience? Once they enter, how they engage there, what activities you do in the product or in the service, and how does the experience end, and what's the end results, and finally, what is the output of your engagement, something physical or digital, which they can take with them. And with this, we conclude chapter 8, 5E experience, and our excitement, we chose the opportunity to make a successful proposal. So that's what people will get excited about us. Our main entry point will be Google form, where we will ask some information about their idea or the problem they want to solve. And then we move into collectively ideating about how to make proposals with an example. So we run through with their idea and do all the chapters, and then the output, our main output will be the draft proposals. But as you can see, this exercise will also open up for other possibilities. What is the output? What else they actually get from here? For example, proposal templates with ideated sticky notes, some video marketing material, and NFT for memorial on-chain memories.